Check it out, guys. The security gave me this chain. They removed a bicycle from the fence outside of my workplace. And I thought, hey, don't throw it away. Maybe I could give it a new lease of life. Maybe use it in my back garden to secure the ladders I've got outside. I could pick that off. That's not going to be a problem. So we've got the broken link here. This is what security cut through. Got my scissors. Cut around the fabric here to get rid of this link, and then you see the ugliness here. This is actually what's underneath the sheathing. You can bend that shit off. This isn't even good enough for a ladder. I mean, look at the difference. Never use cheapy. That is insane. What you think you're getting, what you're actually getting. Stop shagging the bike.
I'll shag the bike if I want to.
Be careful.
See, the fact that you're watching me so intently is making me terrified. Oh yeah, it does go out 5 minutes. Thank you. Oh, Fran, I love your bike.
She loves your bike. Oh, sounds like she dropped it.
No, it doesn't. Fuck off. You cunt! Oh my god, I love this bike.
She's picking it up. She's putting all the pieces back together again.
Oh, you're such a dick.
She's putting the headlight back in. Looks as good as new, yeah? Okay.
Come on then. Oh my god.
No, he starts signaling.
Oh, we pipped it. Oh, we gotta wait. Oh, it's just gonna go. Okay. Go on, my little poop-splutter. I'm not even, I wouldn't, to be honest, I wouldn't even fucking be upset. Oh look, we've all got cruisers, we can rub each other's cocks together. We're the only fuckers here. We are the only fuckers here. Oh look, okay. Well, we're gonna go through the shit, okay?
Oh, we're gonna be...
Yeah, providing there's no police car. Oh, can we? No, I'm just gonna... Should we slalom? Yeah, let's be cocks. I'm being a cock. Them goddamn biker bastards! Look what he's doing! Sorry, I got stuck. I didn't realise I was meant to not be in this lane.
If you just slalom, that is gonna be the laziest fucking slalom I have ever seen.
Bullseye! Coming through! That was the highlight of his day. Oh my god, what? What? It won't turn back on. My battery connections. I think the connection to the terminals are bad. Terminal is loose. Terminal is loose. Somebody told me to stroke a cat backwards and it'll go nuts. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Premises 187. Who else's voice is it gonna be? I just want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon squad. You guys help in more ways than you know, believe me.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. The roof comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my hyper raps. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my hyper raps. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.